Superior thermal design. Surge overload ratings to 400A, peak. Hole through for number 8 screw. Silver-plated copper terminals. NTE Electronics NTE5322 full-wave single-phase bridge rectifier with quick connect leads. 25 amps. 200 volts maximum recurrent peak reverse voltage. Top reviews from the United States. Just what the doctor ordered. I don't seem to remember ordering such a highly rated, Ampwise, Voltwise, bridge rectifier, but very pleased. Good Ol NTE. Used to build an electric puppy heating pad bed warmer, or two, cheaper than heating the whole house. Closing parenthesis.